Hi, this is Kate from Happy Drawings. I am very happy to be with you today to show you how to draw 2021 with Among Us. So let's start it. So I have my pen and I will begin with the first two of 21. So let's go. So I'm started with a little curve. And then you have to go like this. And then you try to draw a straight line like this. Okay. And then you imagine a point here and you have to draw another curve that goes from here to here, like this. Okay? And now, with a big curve, you have to join this point to this one, like this. So let's go. If you want, you can also use a gray pen that you can erase if you like to. So let's go. Up. And here we go. We have our first two. And now we are going to draw the 0 of 2021. And for this, you have to draw a circle. So for this, you can use a glass or a compass or whatever you want that helps you to draw a perfect circle. As for me today, I'm gonna try to draw it without anything. So let's go. So a circle. So we have our circle. Let's now draw the second two. So we are going to draw the same two as this one. So let's go. So you imagine this line up has to be at the same level. So let's draw a straight line like this. You imagine a point here and you join this point to this point with a curve like this. Okay? Now up. You imagine a point here, and you have to go down like this. A point here, and the same. A curve, a very large curve, just like this. And now you have to join this to this. And we have our second two. And now we are going to draw an Among Us, a little Among Us that represents the number 1. So let's go. This, you go down for the legs, you go down for the second leg, and now you have to go up like this. And now join this point to this one. And now the back of the Among Us, like this. And there it is, 2021. So the more difficult part is now here on the 0. We are going to draw the Among Us logo inside. So let's go. We are going to start with a big curve like this. So I'm putting a point here and another one here. And first, I'm gonna try to join these 2 points like this. Okay? So the middle is here about, and another point here. And now we are going to join this point to this point with a curve. Perfect. And now we are going to join this point to this point. So let's go. Perfect. Now it is all about doing straight lines like this. Okay, and now we have to draw the end of the Among Us. So let's go. Let's do a curve like this. Another one like this. Then another one like this for the finger. Then like this. Like this, and then join this. Okay? Then we have to draw the thumb. Okay. Little curve. And then this. So drawing the hand is like the most difficult part of this drawing, but you can do it, no problem. And then the finger that says shh. You know this. And then to finish, we have to draw this little window. So we are done. We have drawn together our 2021 Among Us drawing, and now we are going to color it. Let's go. So, and there is my 2021 Among Us drawing with colors. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like it, to share it, and to leave a comment. And thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye.